Hey guys, I'm here with the WORKPRO tool set. My wife and I are always wondering where my tools are or tools she can have for me and all this stuff. And so I was like, you know what, let's check out and see if there's a cool home tool set that I can buy you for you to just keep just for yourself. So you're not wondering where my tools are and vice versa. So she was excited about that. So anyways, I'm just gonna go through some of the tools that are included here. It looks really, really nice, high quality. Obviously she loves the pink. I think it's available in other colors. So that's the battery charger there. Got the drill here. Just got this, so just unpacking it myself. Really nice drill. Over here, comes with these few small boxes here. Let's see what's in here. It's like a clip in the battery itself. Right. That's a clip for your drill or for anything else that's in here that it would be compatible with. Then in here, got some zip ties, some small little like mechanical screwdrivers, perfect for little RC cars and stuff like that. Any batteries, compartments that you need to get into. A bunch of different bits. Awesome. And then in here, you've got your mini screwdrivers, which I prefer most of the time when you're messing with the smaller stuff or hard to get to stuff. Got really nice, these are magnetic, by the way. If you notice, it's not gonna hold that full thing, but that is sticking. So they're magnetic screwdrivers, which I love. Comes with a few things, some thumbtacks, some wall anchors, sheetrock anchors, some hook screws there. Nice pair of scissors. Let's see how nice these are. Yeah, you can just feel the quality of the scissors. Larger screwdriver, flathead, and here you've got nice little level. Pair of pliers. This is all perfect. This is all stuff we're always trading back and forth. Larger pliers, razor knife, nice and sharp. Really high end, man. This is a really high end tool set. It's not cheap for sure. Little needle nose. More bits. Tape measure. This is perfect. This is exactly, I like too that it sticks unless you, so that comes out, it's gonna stick. Pop the button to pull it in. Some Allen wrenches, awesome. Adjustable wrench, fantastic. This is good stuff. This is not cheap stuff. It's higher quality than I thought it would be. More bits, replacement razors, some drill bits, and a bit driver to go into the drill. You need it, and then hammer. Nice. Oh, and don't let me forget too, comes with a super nice tool bag too. This is high quality, man. I'm impressed. I didn't expect it to be like super cheap, but this is higher quality than I thought it was gonna be. So anyways, I'm gonna get this all packed up and she's gonna be a happy camper, and so will I.